All right, hi, welcome to the course. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm super excited because every time I get new students into some of my courses, or even students that were in my other courses to a new course, I get really excited because that means you trusted me with your time, your money, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you. All right, so you guys know who I am, right? And my name is Edwin Diaz. You know what I do. I code and I instruct. Some of you already know me on a more personal level, through either through Facebook or even through the discussions, all right? And by the way, guys, for those of you that have Facebook accounts, we always have a Facebook group for each course, and you can probably find the link in the discussion tab, all right? So go there and you'll find a link to the course. But anyway, a little bit about me. I love coding, you know that. I love teaching. That's my passion. But I also like taking pictures. I love spending time with my family. I like walking on the beach. I like the mountains. I like to, keep to myself very much, but I also spend time with family. But anyway, that's just a little bit about me, guys. And if you want more information, of course, you're welcome to go to edwindiaz.com and, get to know me on a more personal level if you like to. But anyway, enough about me. Let me give you the course objective, and let me give you some tips to for your life and for the course, of course. All right. So, course objective. We want to protect our PHP applications from bad people. This is what we want to do in this course. This is objective. So we're going to learn a whole bunch of little things that will make our applications more secured. All right. Now, if you're using a framework, of course, that does not apply, but it's good to actually know what these features are, right? It's good to actually know about how can your application get hacked. So we're gonna learn that in this course, and I'm gonna give you really good examples on how to avoid this and how to secure your applications. All right. All right. So now with the tips. So let me give you some tips. Create your goals, guys. I know that I say this in many times in all my courses, in some of my courses, but this is super important. All right. Even if this is a short course, set your goals because you're gonna have all the things to do, right? You can go to school, or you're probably working, or you got kids. Set your goals for your course and set your goals for your life, and know where you're going so that way you can finish what you start. So if you start this course, if it's short, finish it. If it's long, finish it so that way you can jump to the next, right? Finish one thing at a time, guys. And if you're doing this, if you already committed yourself to finishing this course, do it 100%. Don't come here and watch 2 minutes of one video of 10 minutes. All right, just do it already. All right, and always try to be positive. I know we're not perfect, and I'm not perfect. I'm far away from that, but I always try to stay positive. So if something is bad is going on in my life and I'm studying, I try to keep my eyes on studying, but I'm positive about it. All right. But anyway, this is all for all the tips I can give you guys. If you want more tips, of course, you can go to edwindiaz.com, or even you can go to Facebook or whatever. You're always gonna find tips from me and from other students. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lectures.